Within your account, you get unlimited free subdomain websites, but there are restrictions to it. You will know whether a site is free or whether it's upgraded to Pro with this label here at the top. You can see it says free. With the free comes the restrictions that you cannot connect a custom domain. You are limited to the free subdomain. You also cannot remove the made with badge, and you can't use Pro designs and features. Depending then on the package that you have purchased, you will have upgrade options to activate a certain amount of your websites to Pro. And that is done by going to the options of the project and clicking on Activate. If I select Activate in this instance, you will see that it says Activate Pro and Get More. You have one license available. Once activated, I will have the option to add a custom domain to this website. I can also remove the made with badge, and I get all the Pro designs and features. Once I click on Activate, it's going to use this one of my one license, and I won't have any others available. Select Activate, and the label changes to Pro. You can also see that you have the check marks now showing that you have all the Pro features. As I only have one Pro license within this account, if I go to this one and I select the three dots and select Activate, you will see that I have 0 of one licenses available.